Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this pink dolphin in Fish It Roblox. So this isn't just a fish, it's one of the rarest and most beautiful creatures in the game, and also kind of cute. And for now, this pink dolphin is required if you want to finish the prove yourself quest inside the coral reefs. So I'm going to show you the road that I use and also the exact location where I got this dolphin. So for the combo, the road and bait combo, I'm using the element roads with the singularity bait, and here I'm using the mutation hunter for the enchant. And for the location on these dock in here in the coral reefs, you can just go to here to this water and go to the back right here and just go fish in this location. And as for me, I got the fish when I fish in this exact location. So this is the location for me, so you can just try your luck and got a dolphin. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. So I'll catch you in the next one.